Hey, visit the link in the description for a special surprise just for you.
Our first section will cover our dashboard and contacts tab. So here you're going to learn the ins and outs of our main dashboard, our affiliate dashboard, as well as the power of our marketplace, and all about organizing your contacts and using tags. Next, we have the funnels tab. Here you'll learn how to create a funnel to collect leads, how to use our editors and its elements, plus the tools available on each funnel step, like automations and A/B testing. You'll also learn how to create a sales funnel that includes upsells, downsells, and last but not least, we'll show you how to create and use a webinar funnel. Moving on to the emails tab, we'll teach you about the types of emails that you can send with System.io and how to edit them with our 2 email editors. You'll also learn how to send newsletters and create campaigns. We'll go through the blogs tab, of course, where you'll learn about our blog features, our layouts, our pages, plus we'll explain how to create your blog posts. For the automation step, we'll show you how to create automation rules, explain triggers, actions, and show you how to use workflows. And then we'll move on to the product and sales step, which is this one right here, where you'll learn about selling physical products, creating coupons, managing your transactions, your subscriptions, generating affiliate invoices, creating online courses, and of course, bundle them together with the course bundle feature, and also following up with students through our communities feature. Last but not least, we're going to the settings tab, which is right here. This tab is all about account management and profile customization, so you can run your business on your own terms.
Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe.